Hello and welcome to the Day Tradester. This is a channel where I record all of my trades, both sell and buy within this particular strategy. I record my trades and I try to get the video up as quickly as possible so that you might be able to make the same, if not all of the trades that I make, so we all can make a little bit of money. I figure if I'm able to make a little bit of money, then at least my trades might be able to allow you the same possibility of financial gain that I'm having. First thing I do is sell stocks, and we've got 5 stocks to sell today. We don't have that many. First stock we have to sell is Bank of America. And then we have LNG, Moody's, Target, and the last one we'll be selling today is Tesla. If you're new to my videos, or if you're new to trading and you don't understand what's going on, what's important is that I'm showing my videos so you can make money. So don't try to figure out everything that's happening on the screen. Don't try to decipher the screen. If you're new to trading, it's pretty much going to be a massive confusion. And over time, you'll learn what everything on the screen that you see means. What's important, again, is that, like here, I'm buying Moody's right now, and maybe tomorrow, 2 days later, maybe next week, we'll sell Moody's and we'll sell it at a profit. Or at least you have the potential to sell it at a profit, whether you choose to follow me and make a similar trade. If you do choose to copy some or all of my trades, just know that there will be times when the price moves so fast that it moves past our purchase point and we're not able to sell at a profit. In most situations, I just hold on to the stock, and it may take a week, may take a month, and it may take 6 months for us to be able to sell that particular stock at a profit. I would love to be able to sell all of the stocks that I have at a profit before they go down past our purchase point, but prices can move fast. They can even seesaw up and down on a daily basis. So if the price does fall past our purchase point, I just ride the seesaw and we'll wait until it comes back up. We don't have that many purchase stock on the, we don't have that many stocks to purchase. We've got a total of 11 today. All right, before we make these purchases, if you could please hit the like, subscribe, and the bell to get notified buttons, that'll really help us out a lot. If you go back and look at some of my previous videos, if you are new and you don't understand what's going on, I've got some explanatory videos that I've made. And they'll give you a little bit more detail of what I'm doing, what I'm doing, and why I'm doing what I'm doing. Now, if you go by the thumbnails, I do try to title the thumbnails as specific to the education I'm giving in the video as possible. So if you just take a look at the thumbnails and go into the video, maybe that'll help clarify some questions that you might have. So far, all of my videos are similar to this. I just record what my trades are, and I talk over the actual trades that I'm making. And the conversation I have is trying to be a little bit educational, especially for beginners or people who are thinking about getting into the markets. Getting into the markets will be a powerful tool to change your life. My videos aren't a get-rich-quick thing. I'm not trying to tell you that if you have $5, by the end of the week you can have $10,000. If you follow me, then you might consider yourself an investor and swing trader, but not a day trader. Every stock I purchase, like today, I hope to hold on to them for a day or two or a week. None of the stocks that I purchased today or any other day are sold on the same day within this particular strategy. So right here is today's sell list, and this is today's buy list. So if you are following me, these are the 2 most important lists that you can use on a daily basis. This triggered list, this is stocks that were triggered to either sell or purchase, and there were no stocks. Every stock that was triggered to sell, we sold, and these are the stocks that I did not buy. I did not have enough money to buy these stocks, but if you're following me, maybe you have enough resources to buy these stocks and you can add them. And as time goes by, I will let you know, or I will record into the triggered sell list, and eventually you'll make a little bit of money. My goal is to help you get into the stock markets. My goal is to help you open up your own IRA or your trading account. My goal is to help you make a little bit of money every day. My goal is to help you have a sense of financial freedom. So when you're older, you won't have to depend and rely on Social Security. Because if you want to be rich, you've got to put your money to work in the markets over a long period of time. If you do choose to take control of your financial future and you choose to follow me and you enter the markets, you'll be considered a retail investor or a retail trader. The problem with becoming a retail investor is usually when you get on that merry-go-round of trading, you're usually alone. There's not many people there to help. There's no one that you can actually lean on to every day. There's no one that you really can trust. You're trying to figure things out on your own, and you're just going around in circles. Being on your own is no fun, especially when the industry, the big people on Wall Street, they look at day traders. The moniker they have for us is dumb money. And in many cases, it's rightly deserved moniker. The majority of people just blow up their account, whatever the money they put in, it can be gone either that day or days or weeks. But it doesn't take long for 90% of the people who start this to lose everything they've invested into it. So if you do choose to take this up, go ahead and wear that moniker proud, because no matter how dumb we may be as regular day traders, the pennies add up. Everyday pennies add up. The very first trade I made was 13 cents. And to have made 13 cents on my very first trade was exhilarating. And I'd love to be able to help you feel that same level of excitement. Fortunately, if you are following me, you will see more than nickels and pennies and dimes in your first trade. Or at least the possibility of seeing more than that in your first trade. And by following me and possibly making some of the trades that I'm showing here in my videos, you will certainly see a faster rate of increase to your portfolio than I did for mine. As a YouTube content creator, I'm not going to tell you that you can trade and then just leave you out to dry. I'm not going to leave you hanging like most of the content creators out there. Their videos are, if you do this, you'll make money, but they never show you that they're making money. And unfortunately, even though they don't show you that they're ever actually even making money, they want you to push their buy now button. They want you to buy their subscriptions. Well, I'm not selling anything to you. I'm just simply recording my trades and I'm posting them so you can see with your own eyes, or cat's eyes, or whoever's eyes you've got. Just make sure you're reading your trading. You don't have beer goggles. You absolutely 100% better have clear eyes and clear mind when you sit down and start trading. Because trading and investing is no joke. It's way too risky. So if you want to have the reward, have clear mind and clear eyes. But if you're not yet a day trader, it's really time to consider taking a risk not only in yourself, but in me and my videos. Taking a chance or a risk in yourself, it is like rolling the dice. If you're trying to do this on your own, you're going to have some losses, and you might even have some big losses. But at least if you choose to take a chance with me, you will at least be taking a chance on somebody who's not charging you a subscription fee. Taking a chance with me and possibly copying one or two of my trades just to see if what I'm saying is true. That is, if you don't want to take the time to go back and look at the videos from each day, you're less likely to just burn through your money. Because that's what you're going to be doing with most of these people on YouTube that want you to pay for their subscriptions. And some of these subscriptions, they're not cheap. They're $2,000, $3,000, $5,000. So once again, my overall goal is to get people in the markets. It's not to sell them a product. So open a Webull account, open a Robinhood account, do a Charles Schwab. But if you're not in, just consider getting in. You got to jump in at some point if you want to take control of your financial freedom and overall your future. I trade all day, every day the markets are open, and I plan on being here for quite a long time. So jump in, and until tomorrow's video, thank you for watching, and I'll see you then. And have an amazing afternoon.